Hello Schuler. In last video from our Deutsch Creative Interactive book, we have completed the lesson 2 till page number 31. Now from lesson 2 page 32 we will start. So this is our page 32. Zwei are drei. Wohnwelt. Your living world. That means where you are living. Now see this diagram we will see. So ist meine Wohnung. Like this is my flat, apartment. Ordner die Wörter, then fragen zu. You have to order the words. So the words which they have given on this page. So let's see what they are saying here. First one. Wo in der Wohnung. Where in the your flat. Okay, the location. Then im Haus, in a house, im Zimmer. So inside the house and in which room. So whether you are living in a Wohnung, that is a flat, or in a house. Next, was. Was means what all things are there. Next, welche Räume, which room. Ein Esszimmer, a dining room. Der Arbeitszimmer, a study room. Das Alter, the garage. Okay, so all these meanings I have already listed in the translation, which you can find in the description of this video. Next, we. How are those things? In central, in the center. Then okay, this is günstig, affordable, and this spelling is very blurred to me. I'm not able to see it. Okay, but in your book it will be clear, and I would have written the translation of this word. Okay, now wo means where is your flat or house. Okay, in the city or in dorf, village side, so that you have to write. So for example, one word I will read from this next page. Das WC, that is your toilet. So this word you can add here. Welcher Raum. Okay, so here you can add das WC. So same, all these words which you are able to see here, I have written their meaning in the translation. I am just reading it for your pronunciation. Zwischen dem Schrank und dem Regal. In der Nähe von. Auf einer Insel. Der Herd. Die Waschmaschine. An einem See. In der Ecke. Das Waschbecken. Unter dem Bett. In ruhiger Lage. Lage is your location. Über dem Sofa. Das Schlafzimmer. Der Kühlschrank. Am Strand oder im Grünen. In einem Dorf. Das Bett. Teuer oder billig. Der Teppich. Groß oder klein. An der Wand. Auf dem Tisch. Einem Studentenwohnheim. Die Kommode. In einer Wohnung. Now Kommode is a drawer, a student. Das Wohnzimmer. In einem Hochhaus. Vor dem Haus. In der Stadt. Next. Vor dem Haus. Neben der Tür. Die Stehlampe. Der Sessel. Das Sofa. Der Esstisch. In einem Hochhaus. Auf dem Land. Das Regal. In einer Wohnsiedlung. Der Keller. Im Stadtzentrum. In einer Altbauwohnung. Die Terrasse. Der Spiegel. Der Hobbyraum. Die Dusche. Das Dachzimmer. In einem Einfamilienhaus. Der Schrank. Die Küche. Das Bild, der Stuhl, das Bad, das WC, das Kinderzimmer, der Balkon, in einem Reihenhaus, der Garten, laut, hell oder dunkel, der Spiegel, der Hobbyraum, die Dusche, das Dachzimmer. Okay, yes, and the terrace. So all these words meaning you can find. Then what you have to do, you have to draw this diagram, or you can just give this heading. For example, in your notebook, give this first heading, make a columns. Wo in der Wohnung oder im house oder im Zimmer, where exactly that thing is located, inside the cupboard, in between the cupboard and a shrunk. Okay, so all these things will come under this. Next column you have to make vase. What all things are present there, which material, furniture, that you can write. Okay, so like this, make the columns, 5 columns, and then list out all the things. And that we will be discussing in the class. Now let's see. Zwei a vier mein Traumhaus, my dream house. Vier Personen sprechen über ihr Traumhaus. So 4 persons are speaking about their dream house. Was passt your unordner zu? So this is with the CD students. So these are the 4 persons which are telling about their home. So CD part we are not going to do here. I will just tell you these words meaning here. Kochen is to cook. Filmer sehen to watch the film. In the disco gehen to go to the disco, and malen is to paint. So this question nummer 2 and 3 is also with the CD, which we won't be doing here. Now let's see what they have given in next page. It is page 35. Here's in einige Träumhäuser. Here are some dream houses. Wie sehen die Häuser aus? Aus sehen is to look like, to appear. Wer wohnt hier vielleicht? Who perhaps will be living here? Wie sieht sein oder ihr Alltag aus? Alltag means the routine. How will be that person's, his or her routine? Erzähle. So see, different kinds of houses they have given. This is also kind of a house. So what they are saying here, das Haus sieht wie ein Labor aus. The house is like a laboratory. Hier wohnt wahrscheinlich ein Wissenschaftler. Probably means wahrscheinlich, a Wissenschaftler means scientist might be living here. So that they have given first one example. Now you have to write for second one. What you can write? Das Haus sieht wie ein Schloss aus. Schloss means palace. Here wohnt wahrscheinlich. So what will be the profession of this person? Kaufmann. Vielleicht Kaufmann, businessman, or Schauspieler, actor. Then this, so how you can form the sentence for the third one? Das Haus sieht wie ein Fußball aus. Okay, vielleicht wohnt hier ein Fußballspieler. A football player might be living here. And the last one, so das Haus sieht wie ein Kunst. Kunst or Bild, like a photo frame. Kunst, like art. Okay, so who might be living here? Ein Maler. Maler means a painter. Okay, so like this students, this all on this page 35, this first sentence you have to write as it is, and then for the next 3 pictures you have to make the same sentences, which we will be discussing in the class. Now this essay you have to write down students. Visit dein Traumhaus. How will your dream house will look like? How many rooms will be there? How will be the rooms? And where your house will be located? Okay. So this essay you are supposed to write down in your notebook, and then I will be checking that in the class. Now. Okay, so this next, meine Eigen and Fear Vendor, my own four walls, my own house. Was stellst, legst, stekst, hängst du wohin? So where are you keeping what things? Okay, stellen to keep, legen to keep, stecken and hängen. Hängen is to hang. Okay, so which things you are keeping where? So this is with the grammar, students. So this grammar we will be learning in a class. These are the your vexel prepositions. Prepositions are there. We will be learning that in a class. Now this Fragasjolf, student, is with the CD. So we won't be doing this here in a class. So now the next thing we will read. Zwei A6, der Klassenausflug, the class picnic. Now all these things I am going to read it for you. The translation you will find in the description box. Okay, let's start. Für die meistens Schülerinnen und Schüler aus die Centerklasse, die letzte Schuljahr. Okay, last year of a school. Der Klassenausflug ist also ein wichtiges Ergebnis. So this is very important, the class trip. Die Schüler diskutieren über die mögliche Ziele. The students are discussing where should they go for a picnic. Hier sind einige Meinungen. So here are the students' opinion. Okay, where they wish to go. Let's read the first one. Wir können auf die Insel Elefanta fahren. Also zuerst nach Mumbai und dann mit der Fähre auf die Insel. Die Holen besichtigen und am Abend zurück. In Mumbai können wir auch an den Strand, ins Museum oder in den Zoo. Okay, so that was the first opinion from a first student to go to the island. Next, what the second person is saying. Ich schlage vor, wir fahren nach Goa ans Meer. Dort können wir am Strand spielen oder liegen, in der See schwimmen und tollen Fisch essen. Okay, so next student wants to go to the Goa. Now let's see where the last one wants to go. Warum fahren wir nicht in die Berge, Mountains, nach Panchagani und Mahabaleshwar? Frische Luft, Waldwanderungen, Erdbeeries und Natur pur. Okay, so the third person wants to go to the nature. Now, students, und was schlägst du vor? Vorschlagen is to advise. What is your advice? Wohin möchtest du fahren? So where do you want to go and why? So like this student have given their what we say, Meinungen, opinions. Okay, so like this you have to write down your opinion, where do you want to go for a picnic. Okay, so this you will be writing in your notebook, students, and then I will be discussing in the class, or I will be checking this. So today's video we have done till page number 37. The remaining part we will do in the next video. Till then, choose.